Today we are making quick, easy, super gut friendly, weight loss friendly, natural seasoning called Sofrito. Sofrito is a rich cooking base used in soups, stews, meat and rice. You have the Italian way, you have the Puerto Rican way, you have the store-bought way, but today we are gonna do it my way. Starting with this beautiful plate of vegetables, we're gonna chop off some of the tomatoes. After that, we're gonna chop off the spinach. And this is my secret ingredient. A lot of the sofritos don't contain spinach. Do you know that my husband, he hates onion? So this is the only way I can make him eat onion. After that, I use bell pepper. I use the green one and the red one. I like the taste of both of the bell peppers in the sofrito. And I use an entire garlic. I love garlic, an entire garlic. I will spare you the peeling process. Parsley and celery. Celery really is the key to a good sofrito, and this is the end result. This is how your plate should look. So back about my husband, this is the only way I can make him eat vegetables. And this is beautiful sofrito. Can you smell the fresh garlic already? Storing it is easy. You can store it in the fridge for just about 1 to 2 weeks in a cup like this, and every time you season meat you can use it. So for the seasoning, as you can see, I have fresh washed chicken. I just pour some of the sofrito over it and really give it a good squeeze and get all the sofrito in it. Let it sit for about 1 to 3 hours. Add some olive oil, cumin, bell pepper powder, some salt. And this is how it looks like when it's been into the oven. These are the other ways you can use the sofrito. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.